Okay, hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Ai.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alright, okay, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go. Now I have two pictures here, one and two. Give me at least 5 differences. Let's go.
In the little one, the woman is wearing a red grass bird is a little to the woman. The woman is wearing a brown grass. In the little one, the girl is skating, but in the little to the girl is running.
Very good.
In the little one, the boy is wearing a purple helmet, but in the middle the boy is wearing a red helmet.
Very good.
In the middle one there are 5 trees, but in the middle two there are 4 trees.
Okay.
Yes, but in the little one the
She's skating and running. Next one we have Sarah's restaurant and Robert's restaurant. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask about Sarah and ask about Robert. What is the name of Sarah's restaurant? Okay, what does she like eating? Where is the restaurant? What time they open? Is the restaurant cheap or expensive? Okay. What's the name of the restaurant? The name is Black Cat. He likes eating pasta. It's at North Street. At 12 o'clock.
Chips are endless.
Expensive. It's expensive. Okay, now look at the pictures and tell the story. Ellen teaches herself to water ski. Okay?
Yes.
So from picture 1 to picture 5, let's go.
In the little one, he loves riding